Chinese Xiaomi brands, along with Oppo, Realme, and Vivo, three subgroups of the Chinese company BBK Electronics, are known for producing high-quality smartphones with the most up-to-date features and lowest price. Today, we're going to compare these four brands and see how each of them works in different areas. Xiaomi became the second biggest seller of smartphones worldwide in 2021. This achievement for Xiaomi is because of keeping its prices low while improving the quality of its products. This company has been able to reduce the price of the final product by focusing on online sales and eliminating almost all physical stores as well as advertising. But the other three companies have the opposite policy than Xiaomi, which has increased the expenses and made their product more expensive. Another difference is that the market of these three companies is basically in Asia. And it's interesting to know that in China, unlike the global market, Xiaomi products have lower sales than the other three brands. Xiaomi has always emphasized that they had provided the best features on their phones, but their ace in the hole is the product's best performance at the lowest price. Xiaomi usually provides the best processors and highest RAM and memory for its phones, which makes the phones stand tall in heavy performances, such as performing games, especially in flagship phones. This doesn't mean that the company lags in other areas, but when it comes to competition, Oppo usually overtakes Xiaomi on the smartphone display, and Vivo passes Xiaomi because of the phone camera. On similar phones, Oppo almost always offers the best displays with higher pixel density. In terms of camera, Vivo usually tries to provide the best camera by adding many features and tools to the phones. Recently, Vivo has installed an excellent camera stabilization system, which usually has the best results in video recording. We shouldn't miss the fact that Oppo and Vivo are also working great on selfie cameras and provide incredible qualities. But when it comes to batteries, Xiaomi almost always uses the biggest batteries in the phone. And in addition to fast charging, it also offers wireless charging, which up until 2021, the other brands generally wouldn't use wireless charging even for their flagship phones. In terms of software, all four brands offer the latest version of Android and use their own user interface on them. Xiaomi and Realme, which basically are always in competition with each other and usually provide the same hardware, try to show off their features by different user interfaces. Xiaomi with its smooth and compatible MIUI, and Realme with its Realme UI having high protection for user information in the interface. Of course, in the meantime, we should mention Vivo's FunTouch user interface, which had caused problems for users, and Vivo decided to replace it with the Origin OS. Also, Oppo phones use the Color OS user interface. Regarding the quality of the phone body, I should say that Xiaomi usually uses better materials and more up-to-date glasses for display protection. Even partially, there's been some evidence that its mid-range phones have functioned much better than the flagships of other brands. According to the statistics, the average lifespan of Xiaomi phones, Oppo phones, and Vivo Realme phones are about 5 years, 3 years, and 2 years. Given the battery capacity and mostly better hardware, it's only natural that Xiaomi products will have a longer lifespan than the products of other brands. Of course, it might be a little too early to judge Realme company for its products since it's not much old and practically its products hit the market in 2019. In addition to the price and quality of a phone, one of the phone features which makes us interested in buying it is its after-sales service. You should know that Oppo, Vivo, and Realme device warranty for hardware products is 1 year, and it is 2 years for Xiaomi products. And batteries and accessories have a 6-month warranty in all brands. But the time and manner of company's response are also of much significance for customer satisfaction, which, according to the statistics of Counterpoint Research, Oppo and Realme had better performances in this field than Vivo and Xiaomi and gained about 70% customer satisfaction. It is reported that Oppo receives the phone in the shortest time and delivers it after complete troubleshooting. Overall, I should say, although these brands are closely in competition, Xiaomi flagship phones phones definitely have better general features, but the other three companies, especially Oppo and Realme, are trying to rule the mid-range phones market and overtake Xiaomi by similar policies and providing better features. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Bezo and motivate us with your likes and comments.